Dakshina Kannada Deputy Commissioner M. Maheshwara Rao inaugurated fitment camp for the differently abled at Venla Hospital on Tuesday, August 19th. The camp was jointly organized by Dr. Zakir Hussain Memorial Trust and Praxi Fernandez Memorial Trust under the scheme of Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Over 240 mobility and hearing aids and appliances were made available to differently abled persons at the camp. This was the third such camp to be held in the state this year, the two being held at Suntikoppa and Nelamangala.
ಜನರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಸವಲತ್ತು ಸಿಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ sometimes you find that people are not aware. ಇಲಾಖೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಹ ಕೆಲವು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ maybe this particular area sometimes does not get covered on a regular basis. ಆವಾಗ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ ಫೆರ್ನಾಂಡೆಸ್ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ I think madam had come, Mrs. Khurshid had come and had promised that she would start a camp in Dakshin Kannada. I think it was at Sandesha it was mentioned, and ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ what she had said at that point of time ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಸುಮಾರು 250 ಅಥವಾ 300 ಜನರಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವತಿಯಿಂದ we have been able to provide support. All the NGOs have been able to provide support, especially in identification of eligible persons.
The camp was blessed by Bishop Aloysius Paul Lissas of Mangalore, Dr. V. C. Raghuveer, Dean of Kasturba Medical College, Michelle, Chairperson of Bandhavya, were the chief guests. Dr. J. Prabhudev, DK Medical Officer, presided over the inaugural function.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishes a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8422141158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
Mangalore-based Kalkura Foundation will be organizing Sri Krishna Children's Fest at Kadri Temple as part of Janmashtami celebrations on Saturday, August 23rd. Speaking to the media persons on Monday, August 18th, Pradeep Kumar Kalkura, Chairman Kalkura Foundation, said that the competitions like Kanda Krishna, Muddu Krishna, Bala Krishna, Kishora Krishna, Sri Krishna, Yaksha Krishna, Radha Krishna, Yashoda Krishna and Sri Krishna quiz will be organized on the occasion.
ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಜೀವನದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶವನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡೆಯದಿದ್ದರೂ ನಿಜ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದರ ಅರಿವಾಗಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಮೂಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಚಿಂತನೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಂದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತವಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಅಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೂ ಉತ್ಸವವಾದದಿದ್ದರೂ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕವಾದಂಥ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭವಾಯಿತು.
Infants and children up to the class 7th can participate in these competitions, dressing up as Sri Krishna, he added. Even mothers of the children can also participate as Radha and Yashoda in the related competitions. The age limit for the Yashoda competition will be relaxed to enable many mothers to participate. Children will be served ice creams, peta and warm milk. Winners will be awarded attractive prizes, informed Kalkura.